Hello! So, on my last video I did Mikasa Ackerman on a tiny 3-inch sketch card. Well, here she is again. A different pose and slightly different colors. Mikasa Ackerman is one of the main characters and my favorite in the anime Attack on Titan. Whenever you can, try to catch this awesome show. This took me a little over an hour to do. It's really a challenge, especially when the nib of your marker is bigger than the edges of your drawing. Really hard. But, like everything in this channel, we make do. Anyway, I give to you Mikasa Ackerman from Attack on Titan. Enjoy.